Hey there, Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're researching on making passive income online. Okay, so you've obviously heard this term passive income, right? But you probably don't really know how to do it, and maybe you want to build passive income online. Now, I highly, I welcome you to this video, first of all, because building passive income is one of the most powerful things that you can do for yourself and your life, okay? To build wealth. So if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, hi there, my name is Aaron Chen. I'm an online entrepreneur. I've been online for 9 years. 8 of those 9 years I failed miserably. So I've done a lot of different things online. I've tried lots of different business models. I would say much more than the average person. I've also personally invested over $100,000 of my own money on the internet over the last 9 years, right? So I know a thing or two about building, a strong business and a powerful passive income on the internet, okay? And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, right? So let's break passive income down a little bit, just so that you can understand some of your options out there, right? So let's take it off. Let's take it away from the internet, and let's talk about some of the, good ways to generate passive income in general, okay? First way to generate passive income, well, first of all, let's kind of define it. Passive income is anything that generates you an income on a regular basis without you having to actually be actively working on that project, okay? That's basically what passive income is, right? Now, in the offline world, one of the big ways to generate passive income is to invest in property. So investing in property or stocks or mutual funds or shares, because it gives you a recurring income every month or every year, that's, I would say, the traditional way of generating passive income. Another way that you can generate passive income that's huge is, getting into some sort of network marketing business, right? MLM, multi-level marketing, yeah? I was in MLM for the first 2 years that I started building a business, and it's a good way, okay, of doing it. But the problem with MLM and network marketing is it's very, very challenging, right? And a lot of the network marketing companies close down. They end up getting sued by the by the FTC or by some sort of government regulators, right? The other problem with network marketing is that a lot of people struggle to recruit their friends and family, right? And even if you have some sort of strategy to recruit people that are not your friends and family, it's still very difficult because you're constantly trying to bring someone into your organization and build your legs, or what you call your legs, right? And the dream is that if your legs get big enough, people are going to start recruiting on their own, and then that's how you generate that passive income. The reality, though, with network marketing, even though the opportunity is real, is that it's actually very, very difficult to recruit, 100 people or 500 people or 1,000 people into your business, right? You're constantly, chasing the next person to be recruited inside. So I found it very challenging. I managed to recruit about 15 to 20 people in my organization. I've, been in a few different network marketing companies, but I found that at the end of the day, it wasn't really for me, even though there are some people out there that have been very, very successful at it, okay? So that's another option. Another option that you can try is, creating some sort of asset that pays you royalties every single month, right? And one of those things that you can do is you can write a book, okay? Now, if you write a book and it's very popular, you can generate monthly royalties every single month. The problem with writing a book is that it's not just about writing a book. It's about understanding how to get a very, very good book deal, number one, and then becoming a very good marketer and marketing that book so that it becomes a best-selling book. That's the only way that you're going to generate real royalties from writing a book, right? So a lot of people don't talk about that stuff, okay? So that's another way. Now, how do you generate passive income online, right? So there are a few different ways. You can invest in, different things like cryptocurrencies, or get into stock trading and stuff like that, because that's all online, right? But again, that's just one way. Like, I invest in cryptocurrencies, and right now I think they're amazing. So you could go to different websites like Bittrex, Bittrex or Poloniex, okay, to actually buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. And if this sounds like really complicated, don't worry about it. You can literally just Google it. You can Google cryptocurrencies if you want, right? But that's not the main way that I generate passive income online, okay? I highly recommend that if you're serious about generating passive income online, that you start your own online business. Okay, that's something that I did, I started 9 years ago. It took me a while to figure out, but it's one of the most rewarding things that you can do if you can figure it out. Why? Because it's something that you're going to own forever, okay, number one. Number two, the beauty about the internet is that when you leverage technology, you can sell to global markets. So it doesn't really matter where you live. You could live in the US, you could live in Australia, you could live in China, you could live in Southeast Asia, you could live in Scotland, Canada. It doesn't really matter, because wherever you are, as long as you know what you're doing, you can leverage global markets and you can sell to pretty much anyone in the world, as long as you have the right type of business model, okay? So what's the right type of business model? I highly recommend affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, all it is, in a nutshell, is when you take somebody else's product that they've already created and you sell it and you generate a commission on the front end, okay? Now, what kind of products do you sell? Well, you can basically sell products on anything that solves a problem, because there are thousands of niche markets that you can pick from. So, for example, you could sell a program that teaches you how to lose weight. You could sell a program that teaches you, guys or girls, how to get six-pack abs, right? If you want to get really chiseled and get a six-pack, there are lots of different programs that you can sell on them. You could teach people how to fall in love. You could teach people how to get a boyfriend or a husband. Literally, there are programs on anything. You can teach people how to build a business online. You could teach someone how to generate 50 leads a day using Facebook or YouTube, right? You could teach someone how to plant a garden, a rose garden, or an apple orchard. There's so many different programs, almost anything. You can teach someone even how to stop their dog from peeing on the carpet, right? So lots of pet owners, okay? So there are lots of different affiliate programs that you can market on, but the trick is understanding how to pick a program, an affiliate marketing program, and then building a business around that program to generate lots of sales on a regular basis, and that's how you generate passive income, right? So initially, your online business isn't really passive, because you have to actively spend time on it and build it out, right? And you have to put in a lot of effort and a lot of hard work. But once you get to a point where you're generating commissions every single month on a regular basis, the beauty about the internet is that you can set up systems and tools and software, and maybe even hire a couple of people virtually. They don't even have to be in your country. They could be in India, the Philippines, China, Russia, Eastern Europe. There's so many different places where you can hire a couple of people, and then your business and income becomes passive. Okay, but it's important that you put in the time and effort to learn how to build that business first, and once you start getting that in place, then you can transition, and then it becomes a passive business, and you don't really have to be there. You only have to be there maybe 20 or 30% of the time. Now, again, it depends on how involved you want to be, right? So if you want to be very involved, then maybe you still have to be there 80 or 90% of the time, right? But if you don't want to be that involved, you can really build an affiliate marketing business where you literally just have to check on it for an hour or 2 hours a day, and then you don't really have to be there the rest of the time. You can take weekends off if you want. You might not generate as much income as someone who is there 90% of the time, but you could still generate a very, very significant income if you really wanted to. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, right? So I hope this kind of got your mind, racing a little bit on how to generate passive income, right? If you really want to take the next step and spend a little bit more time with me, I want to show you how to do that, okay? So all you have to do is click on the link right below this video, and click on that link. It's my link, and once you get to the next page, go ahead and enter your email address inside, and then I show you my business basically. I show you what I'm doing, how I generate affiliate income, how I've been able to generate passive income in my business on a monthly basis, and hopefully that will help you to get your passive business online started, okay? And let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. Have you tried affiliate marketing before? Have you tried online marketing before, right? Let me know what you thought of this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to speak to you very, very soon, and good luck in your passive income business. And I hope to speak, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care.